We were into the grocery business of wholesale, which was established by my great-grandfather Gubba Buchaya in the year 1897. From there, we entered into the cold storage business in the year 1987. Then, thereafter, we started preserving seeds in the year 1998. Then, from there, we started preserving frozen in the year 2012. In the year 2017, we entered into the pharma, which is new feather, adding to our Gubba group.
If I have to put in one sentence, in pharma preservation, quality is everything. Quality that meets the international standards. We believe quality everywhere, operations, compliances, SOPs, every aspect of preservation. In pharma preservation, we believe in precision in preservation and precision everywhere. 21 CFR data loggers, temperature mapping, thermal tracking, all these things help us in monitoring critical precision preservation. Gubba is a GDP certified cold storage. The cold storages are simple. They have to be really dust free, impeccable, spick and span. Proper trainings, creating of proper SOPs, standards, procedures, and ensuring these SOPs are maintained. That's the challenge, and we at Gubba committed to do that and are doing it. An ERP is the nervous system of a company, and we at Gubba have a robust ERP to ensure customized alerts, real-time information, and an app by which you can get accurate information anytime, 24/7. In terms of quality, it's our vision to be US FDA certified, and we at Gubba will achieve that in next 2 years.
It's been 31 years and we have been preserving all the critical products like seeds, frozen and so on. And now the journey of pharma has begun, the all critical pharma. Gubba has taken on head-on to preserve the critical pharmaceutical industry. We predominantly in India have been storing products like fruits, vegetables, dairy, so on, and never thought about pharma. And that is how the pharma men have started setting up their own in-house cold storage facilities. Gubba have started a new journey, a journey to alter the view of the pharma men. The first facility, a 4,400 pallet pharma compliant cold storage facility, what it takes to preserve pharma, was unveiled last year. The journey has just begun and the exciting future is all set to unfold. Not just Hyderabad, beyond Hyderabad. We at Gubba believe in our core brand values, transparency and integrity. And that is where we stand and operate daily.